Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the focus is on an incredibly practical and essential item for any audio enthusiast, musician, or content creator. The 25ft XLR Cables 6 packs, specifically the premium color-coded microphone cables. This bundle arrives as a game changer for anyone tired of tangled messes and confusing setups. Right out of the box, the quality of these cables is immediately apparent. They feel robust, durable, and ready for serious use, whether in a bustling studio environment or a demanding live performance setting. The jacket material is flexible yet strong, suggesting excellent longevity and resistance to wear and tear, which is crucial for cables that will be coiled, uncoiled, and moved frequently. The connectors themselves are solid, featuring the standard 3-pin XLR male to female configuration, ensuring compatibility with a vast array of microphones, mixers, audio interfaces, and other professional audio equipment. The latching mechanism on the connectors is firm and secure, providing a reliable connection that won't accidentally disconnect mid-performance or recording session. One of the standout features, and truly a highlight, is the premium color coding. Receiving 6 individual cables, each a vibrant and distinct color, transforms the entire workflow. Imagine setting up a multi-microphone drum kit, a panel of podcasters, or a vocal group. Instead of tracing black cable after black cable, one can instantly identify which cable goes to which input or device. This saves an immense amount of time during setup and teardown, and perhaps even more importantly, it drastically simplifies troubleshooting. If a channel isn't working, a quick visual check can often pinpoint the exact cable in question, making diagnostics a breeze. This organizational benefit alone makes these cables a worthwhile investment. The 25-foot length is another well-chosen specification. It offers ample reach for most studio and stage applications, allowing for flexible placement of microphones without needing extension cables. Yet it's not so long as to create excessive clutter or signal degradation. Speaking of signal, these are balanced cables, which is paramount for professional audio. Balanced cables are designed to reject electromagnetic interference and noise, ensuring a clean, clear audio signal, especially over longer runs like these 25-foot lengths. This means less hum, less buzz, and more pure sound reaching the mixer or interface, which is exactly what every audio professional strives for. For anyone looking to upgrade their cable inventory, streamline their setup, or simply acquire a reliable set of high-quality XLR cables, this 6-pack offers exceptional value. It's a comprehensive solution that addresses common pain points in audio production and live sound. The combination of robust build, practical length, balanced signal integrity, and the invaluable color coding makes these 25ft XLR cables an indispensable tool for achieving a professional and organized audio environment. They are a solid choice for anyone serious about their sound.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.